Hi, I'm Dawn Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Blog. And today I'm so excited to unbox the May 2021 Allure Beauty Box. Let's see what's inside, shall we? Okay. I'm a little late with these unboxings. Here is my beautiful brochure. Put my reading glasses on because this will require some reading. Okay. And the first thing I see here is there's a lot to unpack. And on the back of this reads transition tips for summer skincare. Very important. Skincare already, I'm like, ooh. Then a couple of things like this, shop like a beauty editor. So they're apparently, Allure is promoting their limited edition boxes, beauty bundles for every occasion, full-size products, they say, you know, from Peach and Lily, Skin Ink and more, tools and devices from Bruges, Time, and more. And the reason why I say Bruges is because it's right down here. It's an extra U and an accent over it. Do you see that? Yeah, there it is. That kind of reminds me of the whole IKEA aesthetic. All right, and I have a little sheet here. Ooh, it's from Cetaphil, Sheer Mineral Face, Liquid Sunscreen, Broad Spectrum SPF 50. Is that what's in here? Ooh, okay, well, let's dig in and see what's here. The first thing I have in here is from Augustus Vader, the Rich Cream. Oh, nice. Okay, that's right there. Oh my gosh, you don't even want to know what the price tag is for this one. Okay, obviously this is not the full size, but for 50 ml, hold on to your hats. So I'm pulling out, okay, we have it looks like a to-do. The Rich Cream. I guess it tells you how to apply. And here's the sample right here. The Rich Cream. Okay. This is a small sample. The size for 50 ml, the price tag is $265 US. I'll repeat. For 50 ml, this is just a little sample of this. But for 50 ml, the price tag reads here, $265 US. Now I understand that, you know, there's some things that you just positively have to invest in. Your health is definitely one thing, whether it's physical, emotional, spiritual. $265? What does this cream do? Does this cream effectively erase 50 years from somebody's life? Then forget it. I would disappear. I wouldn't even exist anymore. But if this is something that, I mean, what's it promising for $265 for only 50 ml? I understand Augustus Vader is trending. What I'm wanting to know is, for $265, does it clean my house? Does it strip away how many years off me? I mean, and is it a temporary fix, which means that I would have to file for 50 ml, $265 every month, every other month? That adds up. That's okay. The next product on here is from Allure Beauty, and it's the Site C-ER Vitamin C Concentrate. Okay, that's this little guy here, and it looks like it has a pump. You see that? Yep. Beautiful. The price for this is $42 US. It doesn't tell me the size. If this is full size, that $42, that makes this just as expensive. This is the model. This is the model, actor, singer, songwriter of skincare. If it had an Instagram bio, it would read something like brightener, hydrator, wrinkle reducer, skin protector. Okay. It's fortified with vitamin C to brighten, niacinamide to help plump fine lines, squalene to strengthen the skin barrier, and hyaluronic acid for lasting hydration. Okay, $42, but it doesn't say what size. If this is full size, warning, beware. I will post here because apparently it does sell. It references Amazon.com as the seller for Wander Beauty. So I'm gonna check the price and size and post it here. Maybe they're just saving that special detail for me for later when I go, what? You know, that kind of thing. All right, so the next thing on here, those two things were skin ideas, awesome. The next thing on here is from Josephine Cosmetics. Ooh. I think I've heard of them, but I don't think I have anything by them. This is the liquid lipstick in Tiffany, Tiphane. I'm pretty sure I'm saying that right. After more than a year of wearing face masks, I miss lipstick. Don't we all? It's a blue-based red formula, beautiful. Teardrop applicator. And apparently this has staying power. So me, a beautiful blue red. Oh yeah, I'm there. Packaging is gorgeous. Black and gold, you can't go wrong. Lovely packaging, looks very luxe, but it's, I don't know, it's kind of like a hard plastic, but it's beautiful the way it looks. Maybe I should shake it first. Just like that. Okay. I might experiment later wearing this to see what the wear is gonna be. Okay, that's the little, I don't know if this is full size. It just might be. It's $30 US, and you can get this at josephinecosmetics.com. That is a lovely color. I'm gonna try it, why not? I should get a mirror. Yeah, I should. It does have a perfume, but I'm liking it. It's an adult fragrance. And the teardrop applicator makes it easier for you to paint in your lips. I'm already feeling it drying out, you know, like, yeah, it definitely has a scent, but I don't mind it. And it dries down fairly quickly on the lip, and it feels very light. It doesn't feel, this might be my new favorite, I don't know. Yeah. If you follow my channel for some time, you know I'm always in the pursuit for the perfect red. But one that's long lasting, doesn't smear, and feels light on the lips. Just saying. So this is Meet Tiffany. I'm liking it. Okay, so I'm just gonna go through this, but you see the selection looks pretty good. Okay, so the next thing that it says could be here are ampoules. Let's see, something with ampoules. COSRX. Yeah. It's a company called COSRX, if you can see that there. And this is their Propolis Light Ampoule. Have you thanked the bee today? These insects help regulate the natural world and in their spare time make skincare. So that means it must have honey in here. Okay, it's a heavy skin serum, more of a skin syrup, contains propolis extract, a resin that bees use to help build hives. So they say that they harvest this without harming the bees. Okay. And this is, ooh, expecting tomorrow. Here we go. I like that it has this, so I, you know, am assured that it wasn't like opened prior by somebody. So I do like that. Here, it even has kind of like the suggestive shape of a hive above in a way. And it's a squeezy thing. Okay. This is 30 ml, so I believe this is full size. 1.01 fluid ounces. And I see it has lettering. It looks, directions: apply a proper amount evenly, avoiding the eye area for external use only. Proper amount, okay. Doesn't say what that amount is, but I will be trying it, and I will give a follow-up under my skin soothers and smoothers. Interestingly, this is $28 US. I think I said that, but if I didn't, and you can get it at Ulta.com. What else do we have here? Oh, this is cute. I know this. This is from Belief. This is their moisturizing eye balm. Can always use something to refresh around the eye area. K beauty brand, I hope you know. This costs $48 US, but this is a sample size. I'm assuming that actually they're not really, maybe half the size bigger. Yeah, they're kind of small, the tubs. I don't know, but Believe, that's a nice company. Yeah. What else do I have here? Oh, this is the thing that I sold a little card for, and this is the Cetaphil. This is the Sheer Mineral Face Liquid Sunscreen Broad Spectrum 50, which that's what I use. Bare minimum is 50 for me. It used to be 35, and then I said, oh, well. And then there's information that goes back and forth saying actually, it's just a number that it really just stops at 15. They haven't really made them effective yet to go to 30, 40, 60, 90. And if you did or did not know, I believe that the number you see here, the 50, means how many minutes you have in the sun. That's effective if you don't mess with it once you apply it to your skin. So that gives me 50 minutes. And then after an hour, not even, because this is under an hour, so that means within 40 minutes of applying, I'll have to reapply again. Here, this is the new 100% sheer mineral sunscreen from a brand dermatologist trusts for sensitive skin. This will be interesting to try. My normal brand is the Neutrogena dry one that you put on, and it immediately becomes like almost like a powder. Very cool. I usually do like 75 to 100 on that one too. Oh, what's this? This is so pretty. This is from Purlisse. What's this called? Oh yeah, choice between this or a gold black pearl eye mask. Okay, so this is the Purlisse Matcha Green Tea Antioxidant Sheet Mask. Nice. So for a pack of 6 from the Purlisse.com website, for a pack of 6, it's $28 US. Gives the directions on the back. What about you? Let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't already, hit that like button, and even better, hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for watching and taking time out of your day to join me on my latest video. And I hope to see you soon. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.